Hello everyone, welcome to the Corporate Law Journal channel. In this video, we are explaining key updates from recent whistleblower documents which were revealed. SEBI chairpersons had stakes in obscure offshore entities used in Adani money siphoning scandal. As you all know, 18 months ago, Hindenburg's original report on the Adani Group was presented, which had crucial evidence that Indian conglomerate was operating the largest con in corporate history. Further, on June 27, 2024, SEBI sent a so-called notice to Hindenburg. SEBI did not point out any factual errors. However, they claimed that they needed detailed disclosures in the report. SEBI notice claimed that Hindenburg report was reckless for quoting a banned broker with specific experience dealing with SEBI. It was alleged that Vinod Adani, brother of Gautam Adani, used the illegal corporate structure to invest in Indian markets with funds allegedly siphoned from over-invoicing of power equipment to Adani Group. Whistleblower documents show that SEBI chairperson and her husband had stakes in offshore funds used in the Adani money siphoning scandal. The Supreme Court of India said that SEBI had drawn a blank in its investigation into who funded Adani offshore shareholders. During current SEBI chairperson's tenure as a whole-time member at SEBI, her husband was appointed as a senior advisor to Blackstone in 2019. Her husband had not worked for a fund in real estate or capital markets before, as per his LinkedIn profile. Blackstone has been one of the largest investors and sponsors of REIT. During this time, Blackstone sponsored Mindspace REIT, Nexus Select REIT, India's second and fourth REIT, have received approval from SEBI to publicly IPO. Further, during this time, major changes and amendments were introduced in REIT regulations in India. As we all know, SEBI is the watchdog to protect the interest of the investors. Therefore, we expect there will be a fair investigation behind this whole network and trust of the investors will be reinstated. Thank you for watching our channel and do not forget to subscribe. Our channel will keep you updated about the corporate world. Thank you so much.